Define classification of treatment process. Treatment process is the combination of science and engineering principles to upgrade the natural environment to give healthy water, air, and land for human residents and for other organisms, and to clean up pollution sites. Water treatment process. The diagram shows the process of sewage treatment. The water is collected from the homes and business units. The first step is screening, where water is screened to remove large woods, stones, and other debris. In primary clarification, the heavier sludge settles to the bottom and lighter scum floats to the top. In biological treatment, chlorine is added to remove bacteria and then disinfected. Finally, the water is discharged and used by the households. Air treatment process. The hazardous gas is present in the air. It consists of dust, malodorous substances, and acid gases. The scrub filters absorb the dust and acid and discharge it safely. Related terms are